If you want to activate the Gemini on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is, for example, by default, you can press and hold the power button in order to activate Gemini like this. Of course, you can say something out loud because the microphone is automatically activated, and then you will get results provided by the Gemini, by the digital assistant by Google. But besides that, of course, we can go to the app drawer, and you can find the Gemini app pre-installed in here as well. If not, then you can easily just download it from the Play Store. You just have to type Gemini in search, and you should be able to download it for free. And once you have this welcome message, of course, you can tap anything over here in order to just simply write whatever you want to ask Gemini. You can also activate the microphone in here as well, and we have some additional tools at the bottom as well, so feel free to try them. So we have two main ways to activate it, but there's also the third way. Let me actually go back to the Gemini. We can activate Gemini by saying, "Hey Google," out loud. But to be able to do so, first we need to activate the voice recognition. So we're going to tap on our profile in the upper right corner in here in the Gemini app. And then we can go to settings. Once you open settings, you should be able to find the Talk to Gemini hands-free. And in here we can tap on this "Hey Google" switcher to turn it on. And if you go here for the first time, you will have to set it up by saying a couple of sentences out loud that will be displayed on the screen. And that is pretty much it. This is how you can activate Gemini on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.